In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set job alert on link. So without any more time wastage, let's jump to the video. At the beginning, make sure you have subscribed the channel, turn on notification bell. You can see this is my LinkedIn profile. If you are mobile user, this is the same method. So just go to charge option, then here are charge anything here you want to get alert. Again, for purpose I write SEO because I want to alert SEO work. Then again click on job because I want to job alert. Then here are guarantee. If you want to get specific guarantee, specific company, specific person, anything you are able to filter here. Purpose I write here UN United States. Then you can see here are the lots of job I already found on my screen. Then just click on this option, set alert. It's already done. Now if any person, you can see here are 25,000 result already have on here. So if anybody post on new job on here, then LinkedIn automatically mail me the hey, this is a SEO analytics needs a job, apply here. When meets a requirement with me, then automatically send email. This is the method. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.